How to find each app notification sound settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find each app notification sound settings on Android phone. First, then open settings and then scroll down until you find this one here, apps, and then click apps again. Now just scroll until you find any app you want, like Gmail. Click on it and here we'll find notifications, and scroll down. Now just select a notification you want here, like mail, and here we'll find notification sound. Click on it and here you can change it, and you can take it from your device. And that's how to find each app notification sound settings on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.